Hi guys, how are you? Today we're going to look at something rather interesting. I have a section of strings here for a song I'm working on. I'm gonna let you hear this section. And I'm going to show you how I'm opening up that section. I'm going to solo the section I'm going to work on. I have many violins here, so I have three groups, one of violas, one group of violin, and one group of second violins, and I'm going to treat them separately with their own stem. I'm going to work on the violins second group, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to separate them. So first of all, I'm going to start by creating some kind of a stereo image. Panning to the right, panning to the left, and then I'm going to do maybe a big one, 44 to each side. And now I'm going to create a bit of variation inside of each of them so they sound a bit better. Now this is a non-scientific approach, but I'm just listening and I'm looking for something that doesn't sound good, and then I'm going to cut it out from each of the violins. I'm turning on this button here. This is an automatic compensation for volume loss, so when I can do the EQ I can hear it, how it sounds after the volume is being compensated for the cutting that I'm doing. Okay, next one. So they are recorded with the same microphone, same violin, probably same sound, but I'm going to do different cuts a little bit in different places, and it's going to be interesting. Okay, working on the next one. Okay, and the last one is this. Okay, so just remember to turn on the automatic compensation on all of them. Let's solo. And now, just to create a bit more variation, because they're playing the same note, I'm going to put some kind of a just different plugin, some pull tag, or just something to give color. I'm not gonna even mess with it too much, but select UAD. I have quite some of these, so I'm going to put compressor on this one. I'm going to put another compressor on this one, and I'm going to put an EQ on this one, and a different EQ on this one, and a different EQ on this one, just to create some different color. And now to the mega trick, I'm going to open a return, and in this return I'm going to have I'm going to create what I call a Haas Effect, which is a way to expand something in the stereo field but without losing the mono compatibility, and also that it feels a bit more realistic, because it feels very unnatural to have a sound that is only panned on one side, and you want to have something that is also just as much touching the left side and the right side in a way that feels natural, because even if some sound coming to me from the right, it also comes a little bit on the left, and if something comes on the left, it also comes a little bit on the right. So let's see what we can do with it. So we're going to find a simple delay, just a basic Ableton delay would do. Take the sync off, take the time off, unlink, no feedback all the way, open the filter and make it between 0 and 25 milliseconds. Select something random, 18, and I'm going to send all of them a little bit to that, so in a separate way, just a little bit. This is without, this is with. It's just a little bit kinda create a bit of a natural feel. Okay, let's listen to it in the mix.
I love you every minute, every moment. Oh yeah, yeah. I love you.
Okay guys, that was today's tip. Thank you so much. Enjoy making music, keep doing what you love to do. There's nothing else to do in this world, just enjoy life. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more tips, you like the music, you like my vibe, please subscribe and we roll. Till next time, I was Tom Alone, and enjoy life.